Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA here with another unboxing video. After the last Frankensaber haul, I was so happy with it. I made another one before the promotion was over. So this is part one of unboxing my next large Ultrasaber haul. So last time I had 16 mystery boxes. This time I ordered 12 mystery boxes, and plus I'm going to get the free initiate and the free mystery box and a free grab bag, and I get another Frankensaber. And on top of that, I ordered an extra initiate for my son, per his specifications. And I ordered a second mana core to make a staff out of the one I got last time. So I'm excited about that. This is opening box one of two. I should have 18 lightsabers in my two boxes. All right. Well, we'll start off here that most people do with the stuff that's not important. Here's my quick release connector that I bought for the mana core staff, and I will play with this and both of the mana cores in a separate video. Oh, there we go. Wow, that's pretty nifty. So there's a quick release mechanism right here. You just pull that down and it separates the two. 4 ball bearings inside there. Wow, that's pretty. That's cool. Got my Ultrasabers card. I got a regular blade plug, and I've got my CoverTech wheels. I ordered a couple of those to install. I'm not, however, seeing a card in here about a sound saver. Maybe it'd be in the other box. Alright, so let's pick one of these. And let's jump in. I try to reuse this bubble wrap whenever possible. Alright, let's clear our workstation here. Alright, our first one looks like it's going to be a Dominix V2. Solid pommel. Correction, this is going to be a Dominix LE V2. Black with the silver parts machined out. We have an AV switch, and it's going to be blazing red. Next up, looks like this is going to be an Initiate LEV4. Silver and gold, another AV switch, no emitter windows, and Arctic Blue. Arctic Blue's got to be one of my favorites. All right, moving along, we've got another Initiate V4 here. This time with emitter windows. And it has the guarded switch, but this time it has a red metallic guarded switch. Last unboxing video I did for the mystery boxes, most of these guarded metallic switches were black. So this one's red. I don't know if this is going to denote color. In this case it does. So red switch, blazing red blade. Alright, next up we have an Apprentice V4. Got another AV switch. Emitter windows again, these horizontal emitter windows found on the Apprentice and Sentinel models. Wow, and Consular green. The green looks good. I only got one green last time, so let's hope there's more to come. Alright, jumping right into number 5. We've got another Initiate V4. Going to be the Dark Initiate LE V4 with AV switch. So we've got a theme going now. 4 out of 5 of the first ones are all have AV switches. No emitter window, which is really more comfortable given that the Initiate is a little bit smaller and it lacks that extra, the larger choke point of the Aeons and the Dominics. This one really serves as kind of like a primary choke point because it's really comfortable. I like the look of the emitter windows better, but I really do like how comfortable it is without it. So, another Arctic Blue. Wow. 2, that's great. All right, there's the first 5. All right, get through this tape real quick. All right, moving into number 6. We've got our first Sentinel. This is the Sentinel V4. Solid pommel. Great choke points on this. No emitter windows. Another AV switch. Probably got a battery loose. Let's take a look. Oh, this is being stubborn. Looks like we had several batteries askew. Of course, most of you know, but these standard battery configurations are 4 AAAs, as you can see here. All right, got that battery sorted out. Uh-oh. Yeah, Adigan silver. I need to put some Velcro on those batteries. Looks like one of them might be prone to pop out. Alright, we got that sorted out. Silver and silver. Again, this was the Sentinel V4, AV switch in Adigan silver, which I'm sure you can tell on camera looks white. Well, in real life looks white. Alright, moving along to the next one. Got another initiate. This is a dark initiate LE V4. Just like this one. That one's an Arctic blue right here. I wonder if we have a match for it. Got another AV switch. We don't. Blazing red. But that's okay, looks good. Dark side color with a dark side blade. Alright, here's number 8. It's going to be in another Apprentice, the Dark Apprentice V4. Alright, all solid black. Got another AV switch, no emitter windows. And this one's going to be Guardian blue. Got that little bit darker shade of blue. And then these LEDs I have on here to light. It really doesn't come out very well, but in darker lighting, less harsh lighting, it's a really good looking blue. Although I do prefer the Arctic blue. Yeah, right here next to this blazing red, it's going to look purple. All right, it's going to be the last saber for box number 1. And it's going to be a Dominix V3, well, LE, the LE, so the Dominix LE V3, great looking saber. I got one of these in the last one, although it was just a Dominix, it wasn't the LE, which that silver and black really pops, but I've said it before, but these are some of the best choke points. The Dark Catalyst or Catalyst model and this Dominix Aeon V3 have got just the best choke points, particularly this bottom one. Very generous and wide and comfortable. So we've got a blue metallic guarded switch on this one, but the blade's consular green. Still, I'm glad to have another consular green. That's good. So that's the first box. Alright, so that's going to be the first box out of 2 from this haul. And we'll go ahead and probably call it a video. If you haven't subscribed, we appreciate subscriptions. If you would like, give us some comments down below. What do you think about Ultrasabers? What do you think about the mystery boxes? That'll do it for this time, and I will see you next for part 2. Thanks for watching.